Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will focus on solving the inequality 3z plus 6 greater than 9. We will walk through the steps to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. So let's get started with solving this inequality together. To solve the inequality 3z plus 6 greater than 9, follow these steps. First, we aim to isolate the variable z on one side of the inequality sign. Begin by eliminating the constant term added to 3z, which is 6, on the left side. To do this, subtract 6 from both sides of the inequality. This changes the expression to 3z greater than 9 minus 6. Subtracting 6 from 9 results in 3. So now the inequality reads 3z greater than 3. The next step is to isolate z by getting rid of the coefficient 3. We will do this in step 2. So after step 1, our altered expression is 3z greater than 3. To isolate z, we must remove the coefficient 3 in the inequality 3z greater than 3. To do this, divide both sides of the inequality by 3, because the coefficient of z is 3. When you divide both sides by 3, it results in z greater than 3 divided by 3. On the right side, 3 divided by 3 simplifies to 1. So now the inequality reads z greater than 1. At this point, we have the variable z isolated, and this is the final step for solving the inequality. In inequality notation, the solution is z greater than 1. In interval notation, this is represented as open parenthesis 1, infinity close parenthesis. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.